Hey beautiful people, how hey beautiful people. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be doing a bridal slash natural slash bridesmaid makeup look. Now this is how it actually turned out like, and there was something stuck on my face, so I tried to fan it and it went away. So this is how it actually turned out like. I'm really pleased with it. It's very pinkish, it's very, like, what can I say, rosish kind of colors. You can go in and add a little bit more glitter, add a little oomph to it. So this is how I sealed it, and if you'd like to see how I got this look, all you gotta do is keep on watching. So guys, first thing first, I'm going to moisturize my lips so that when we get to the part of doing our lips, it is moisturized. So I'm going to stick to the pinks today. I really like the pinks, so I'm going to be using this palette today. And the foundation that I'm using is still the Revlon that I've used yesterday. So guys, my face is primed. I have used the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. So my face is primed. So guys, this foundation is more for a more kind of a natural kind of look. So it's not very heavy coverage. It's more like the water-based coverage. So it's more like the BB creams kind of coverage. So that's about this foundation. So if you want a foundation that has got more coverage, this is not for you. You go in for an Estee Lauder kind of coverage. I've always been saying that if you want heavy coverage for the day, Estee Lauder is the one for you. For the eyes, I am concealing with the Essence Concealer. Make sure to use a light concealer when you are doing this, especially if you are fair. I suggest you go in with a super white kind of concealer. For the pink, I'm going to be using the color Love in this palette. So guys, in this color, I'm going now with Testified. This is the different palette. This is the Exotic Nude palette. So this is just going to pick the whole color up. So guys, now I'm going in with the color Fancy and just putting that all over my lid. So guys, now I'm going to curl up my lashes. Now for the eyeliner part, I'm just going in with some eyeliner gel because I don't want that. So guys, I find the eyeliner gel has been working for me so much more as compared to the other eyeliner. Now we mascara everything up. So guys, now it's time for the under eyes. Now you want this to highlight your entire face because this is like the point that's going to be seen most often because it's your eye area. So make sure you go in with something that is 2 to 3 shades lighter than your actual skin tone, and it is going to work for you. Also press it into the skin so you do not have any flashbacks on your camera or any photos that you don't take out. Because you know, sometimes people will be taking photos of you and you don't even know, and then all of a sudden you feel like boom. Now it's time to give yourself a whole coat of contour so you can snatch them cheekbones. This helps bring back like all the brownness into your skin. It helps bring back the warmth into your skin. So it's actually good in a way that you can like sculpt your face. So as I said, it just brings back all the warmth onto your face. Now it's time to add some powder so I can set this concealer underneath my eyes. This is extremely drying, so don't add too much. Also don't add too little because you want everything to set properly. Also this area, don't forget to snatch it off. Now I'm just going to dust everything off because I don't want my face to dry. So guys, in terms of my brows, I'm just going to be lifting it up. On that day, you can go in and set your brows. You can go in and carve out your brows. I prefer my brows like this, like nice and bushy, and I just fill in the tails. So that depends on you, like how you like to set your brows. Also, if your eye is dramatic, do not go too much of drama on your brows because your brows is going to stand out more than your eye itself. So guys, now it's time for mascara for the bottom lashes. So what I'm going to do is just play around with the bottom lashes like this. Now it's time for some blush. So because your eyes are like a little bit pinkish, go a little bit rosier on the cheeks so that you can seal everything together and just look so pretty. And now for the glow. We need some glow. Also guys, the glow, make sure your inner corner has got some glow so you can look pop. So guys, for the lip, I'm going to be using the Victoria's Secret Unpredictable. No, this is bold. This is the color bold. So guys, this is what the look actually turned out like. It's so pretty. It came out really pinkish. Well, that was actually what you guys wanted. So I hope you guys are actually happy with how it actually came out. And I'm very happy. I'm very pleased. So if you ask me, yes, I'll do this again. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will be back with another amazing video. I'm out, guys.